Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to make a Wix website more responsive. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do here is you need to go to wix.com, log in into your account, and open up the website's dashboard. In this case, we need to go to our homepage here. So either in the setup or homepage section, you should see an edit site at the top right of your screen. And once you click on it, it should open up your website editor here. Now, in this case, Wix actually offers you a different way of actually ensuring that your website would actually fit different type of devices. Now, as you can see at the top section here, you should see your domain here, and you also have this buttons here. We have the desktop. So by default, your website would have a desktop version, but whenever you click on the switch to mobile option here, it would actually switch over to the specific version of that specific website you have. So currently, when you click on it, you should see the mobile version of your website. Now, the great thing about Wix here is whatever changes that you make on a specific view here, that will not affect the view that you have on your desktop. As you can see, just to give you a comparison here, we have this name here and different sections in here. So in this case, we see this name or text here. Whenever we switch over to mobile here, I actually deleted that from that section. As you can see, the specific text is now missing. Now, just to give you another example, I want to add a new option here. So maybe I want to add a specific button here. In this case, maybe I want to use this button here. So let's just use this one and add it into our mobile version. And from here, what we need to do next is we just need to switch over to desktop. And whenever we switch over to desktop, as you can see, that button does not exist on the desktop version. It only exists on the mobile version. Now, meaning any changes that you make here on the mobile will not affect your desktop version, ensuring that your website would actually look good on your or in the mobile version without affecting the desktop version. In this case, you can just basically switch over to either desktop or mobile here just to ensure everything actually looks fine. Now, for example, if you have a specific text that doesn't look good, you could just basically center them in here just to ensure that it actually looks good. Once you've done that, you can go and click on the publish at the top right, or just click on preview here to view the live site, what it's going to actually look like. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.